Now this is our first adjustment here at the source, by the way, and she agreed to do it on camera. So here we go. And I don't adjust like, or a lot of people in this office don't adjust like the majority of chiropractors. So interesting to see feedback after this adjustment. So L1, L2, there's a compression. So what I'm looking for is to actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact L2 and distract it away from the L1. So we're coming down inferior with the rounding of the sacrum, and that rounding of the sacrum is going to avoid that hyperextension of the lower spine. So I'm bringing the spine to neutral, rolling the system as a group, going to pull that L2 off the L1. Boom, just like that.